So, you want to be rich, not just in your bank account, but in your life overall? Ha. Well, stick around for some secrets that will change the game for you. Hey geniuses, welcome to our journey of self-discovery and success. Today, we're diving into the transformative power of 3 habits that can make you rich in every sense of the word. Habit number 1, invest in yourself. Your best asset is you. Learn something new each day, like a new skill or a different way to solve problems. Read books, take courses, and try new things. Remember, the more you learn, the more you earn. Now, let's talk about habit number 2. Consistency is key. Consistency is super important. Success doesn't happen overnight. Whether you're a teenager, a young adult, or someone in their golden years, success is the result of daily habits. Set clear goals, break them into small, manageable tasks, and tackle them consistently. Success takes time, and work on them every day. It's not about being perfect, it's about making progress. Small steps every day lead to giant leaps over time. And now, habit number 3. Cultivate positive relationships. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, challenge you, and support your growth. Your network is your net worth. Share your dreams with those who uplift you and cheer for your success. Together, we rise. So, there you have it. Invest in yourself, be consistent in your efforts, and surround yourself with positivity. These 3 habits will not only make you rich financially, but will enrich every aspect of your life. If you enjoyed today's video, hit the like button, subscribe to Progress Plus Genius, and share it. Until next time, stay motivated, stay inspired, and keep progressing.